Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 508. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every single day. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment section. If you're interested in using Cash App, you can sign up with my link in the description and we will both get $5 for free. So we've got Bitcoin currently sitting at $9,137, down about 1% today, down 2% on the week, about dead even on the month, down 21% over the past year. But for the most part, looking like it's going sideways. We were around 96 or 9,700 earlier this week, so down quite a bit from that. All time, you can see that we had a huge run up here in 2013, and then a super long consolidation period, and then again here in 2017. We've been consolidating ever since. So definitely a long sideways period as expected. Basically the same thing as what happened right here. So it can take some time. I'm just continuing to dollar cost average all through this zone. I started somewhere in here, just continuing to invest $1 per day. Let's go ahead and tap buy. I'm buying $7 per week every Friday to average this out. Tap next, scan my fingerprint. Still got a 3% fee on these buys, but you got to do what you got to do. Tap confirm. And just like that, I've added more Bitcoin into my Cash App wallet. Tap done. We'll scroll down here and see that I now own 0.068 Bitcoin. So still slowly moving towards 0.1 Bitcoin. That's one of our big goals here. Let's go ahead and do the math on this now. So I've got 627.58, $627.58 divided by 508 days equals a 1.235x on my investment. So not bad, doing pretty good, and just gonna continue with the same strategy, dollar cost averaging, and hopefully something like this happens again. A lot of people ask about profit. So it's been 508 days, $508. I'm at $627, so I've gained like $120, but I'm not selling any. I'm holding this long term. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.